Okay, what's up, guys? Let me put that back where it belongs. So this is what we go with. Okay, this is what we go with here. We got no errors so far. Okay, and I did. Here's what you should have something similar to this at the bottom. And let's say clear. And let's say we issued make and make a check. Okay, into T glibc checklog. Okay, so that's it. Now it says we have to grep error in glibc checklog. Okay. Now the book also says too, we could pipe this through. Actually, this is the wrong error I'm talking about, or the error, whatever. I thought we could pipe this through A7 sum, but I don't see that. It must be in the next check. Okay, so let's just grep error and glibc error. Okay, cool. Good deal. We should have something like this. Okay. We got a POSIX annex C. Okay, that's ignored, and we got a conform runtime. It's ignored too. Okay. And that's exactly what the book said we'd end up with, or we could end up with. Okay, and you can read more about them. So that's okay. We're in good shape. Good shape. Okay. So, from here, let's go ahead and we'll say touch etsy ld.so.config ld.so.config. Okay, and we'll make install. I don't remember if this make install took quite a while. I really don't. I should have paid attention to that, but I don't remember. But in any case, still have quite a ways to go with glibc here, or glibc. We have to do that, and then we have to copy over some files over glibc, some RPCs, and all that stuff. We have to make locales after that, so okay. So this is one of the longer programs to deal with, so but we'll be okay. We'll be okay. A little bit to go. Should I cut it? I'm thinking it's gonna stop any minute. Right? I think so. I'm not sure. What's my usage looking like? 507 free? That's beautiful. Considering my fan is kicking up. It's hitting the second stage over here. And I'm thinking about cutting the video. I think I will. Okay, so this is brief, but necessary. I want you watching output all day long. I'll catch you later.